Understanding Break from the Road, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore the meaning behind the phrase, break from the road. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding these expressions can significantly enhance your fluency and comprehension of the English language. So, let's get started and unravel the layers of this interesting phrase. The phrase, break from the road, isn't as straightforward as it might seem. At its core, this expression refers to taking a pause or rest during a journey. It's a metaphorical way to describe a moment of relaxation or a short period of rest from any ongoing activity or effort, not just physical travel. The word, break, signifies a pause or interruption, while the road metaphorically represents the path or journey one is on, whether it be literal travel, a career path, or any long-term endeavor. Understanding how to use the phrase, break from the road, in conversation or writing can help you sound more like a native speaker. Here are a few examples. After driving for 5 hours, we decided to take a break from the road and stop at a roadside cafe. Working non-stop on the project was exhausting, so I took a break from the road to recharge over the weekend. The band has been touring for months. They need a break from the road to rest and spend time with their families. In these examples, the phrase is used to express the need for a pause from continuous activities, highlighting the importance of rest and recuperation. Taking a break from the road is not just about stopping physical movement. It's a crucial aspect of maintaining mental and emotional well-being. Regular breaks during any long-term activity help prevent burnout, increase productivity, and improve overall happiness. It's a reminder that, in our journeys, whether they be personal, professional, or educational, pausing to rest and reflect is essential for sustained success and health. We hope this exploration of the phrase, break from the road, has been enlightening. Understanding such expressions can add depth to your English language skills and help you communicate more effectively. Remember, taking breaks is not a sign of weakness but a necessary part of any journey. We wish you all the best in your English learning journey and hope you find the right moments to take your breaks from the road. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.